Hey guys, it's Jasmine here and I'm back with another video for you guys. So today I bring to you a little beauty hack, and that is how to clean and reuse your lashes. It has been brought to my attention that a lot of people don't know that they can reuse their lashes. Girl, I don't care if you got them from the beauty supply for 99 cents. You can reuse your lashes unless you're harsh with them or you rip the band. But even then, if you rip them in half, you can use them as outer lashes. So yeah, I slowed this clip down just so I have enough time to talk to you about this before the video actually starts. But yeah, so you see how it's all gooped up. There's glue, there's glitter, there's mascara, there's everything. So I'm going to show you how I clean my lashes. There's many ways to do this, but I literally reuse lashes all the time, like multiple times. Like, I don't care what kind of lash it is. So we're going to go from this to this. Nice and clean, girl. They're just like new. And these lashes are House of Lashes Knockout. So for this tutorial, we are going to need a paper towel. We need a little spoolie brush, which I get these spoolies from the beauty supply store. They're just disposable spoolies. And I use 91% alcohol, and this will get the job done. You can use a cleanser, but for me it just like a makeup cleanser, but it leaves them a little oily. And then of course you need your dirty lashes. I'm sorry, this clip is weird and it's blurry, I'm sorry. But yeah, so of course you need some lashes to clean. I usually clean a few pair at a time. And here's just a better look. You see it has the glitter like stuck, or the eyeshadow stuck, and then it had the glue. So the first thing you're going to do is just remove the lashes from the case. I always keep cases, and I also have a little lash case that I use. So you're just going to first gently, very gently remove the glue. That's the first thing you're going to want to do, is just get the glue from the band. A lot of people I see reuse their lashes, but they just reuse it and don't remove the glue or clean them. So they look all dingy. Like when you look down, you see eyeshadow in them. You see the glue stuck. Like it's like a pound of glue on the band. That is a no-no. So I'm here to tell you how to let your lashes not look like that. So yeah, so you see this is the glue that I got from the lashes. And then here is the next pair. And you're just going to remove that the same way. Just pull down gently. You want to make sure you hold the base or the top of the lash, and then just pull down ever so slightly. And you guys have to excuse my nose in this video because they're looking real ratchet. Real ratchet. So I didn't speed this video up any at all, so you'll have to excuse the slowness. I wanted you guys to see in real time because it's really, I'm sorry guys, my dog is going crazy, but it doesn't take long at all to actually achieve this. I think you can clean up your lashes pretty quickly. And then all that glue, so if you don't remove that, the glue just constantly builds up, and that is not a cute look. So then I'm just going to place my lashes on this paper towel, and then I'm going to take some of that alcohol. Then I'm just going to dab some on the paper towel, and then that spoolie that I showed you earlier, we're literally just going to brush the lashes out. So you're just doing this very gently. Everything you will do, you're doing gently. Just so, because I mean lashes, they are a pretty delicate thing. So you just want to make sure you're being careful. And also, this was probably the hardest thing I've ever done in my life, trying to record this video. Seriously. Trying to get angles to record this video was just so weird. So sorry if it's not the best angles and quality ever, but I just think this is a great hack for everyone to know. So I finished one and I'm just gonna move on to the other. You do lose a few hairs doing this, but honestly it's just the loose hairs. So then after I finish cleaning them, I just wrap them around my index finger or my pointer finger, just to reshape them while they're still a little wet. You can use like a makeup brush to wrap them around if you don't want to wrap them around your finger, but just make sure your hands are clean. And they should look like that. I let them sit for probably like 5 minutes. Also, if you keep the case that the lashes come in, or any case in general for lashes that has the little hump, that will help keep the lashes shaped as well. If you just lay them flat or just put them anywhere, they will lose shape over time. And you see how nice and clean they looking, so fresh and so clean. Alright, and here's me showing the paper towel. You see it has a few of the little hairs, but you see all that black stuff. That's like mascara and eyeliner that is just gunky. And it does have some glitters, you just can't see it, but I was able to get the glitters and stuff off the lashes. So now I'm just taking some more alcohol, and I'm taking the lash case that that these lashes came in, and I'm just cleaning up the lashes to get all the sticky stuff off. I mean the lash case to get the sticky stuff off, just because I just didn't want to put it, because I put them on after I finished wearing them. I mean I put them back in this case after I finished wearing them. So I'm just removing any like glitter and glue that is stuck before I put my lashes that I just cleaned in there. Duh. Alright, and then after I finish cleaning them, that case, I'm just going to place the lashes back in there, and then they're good for your next use. I do clean my lashes after every time I wear them. Like, I do not reuse lashes that I have not cleaned, just because, like I said, the buildup, it does not look good on your lashes when you have lashes that have been built up. It honestly does not look good at all. But anyway, so here are the fresh, clean, good as new lashes that I have worn before, but they look as good as new. And yeah, that's all I want to show you guys. This is a great hack. It's something that a lot of people should do. You save so much money reusing lashes, and also cleaning them, reusing them and not cleaning them versus reusing them and cleaning them saves you the looking crazy look, because honestly when you look down and your lashes are full of glue and glitter, it just does not look good. So you're welcome. And yeah, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Love you. Bye. But anyway, so I'm just going to start off with this that's right on top. And this is the Bum Bum Carnival Extravaganza. So this is the famous Brazilian bum bum cream that everyone was talking about, everyone loves. I freaking love this stuff. It smells so good. Like, I don't even use it for like the benefits that it claims to have, like tightening of the skin. I literally use it for the scent, and the scent on me lasts all day. Like, it lasts until I take a shower. Like, it lasts all day. And people, like, when they smell this on me, they're like, oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god, what are you wearing? And like, yo bae or whoever, just know that they gonna like it. Like, they like it. So this kit comes with a full-size Brazilian bum bum cream, and it's the full size, and this whole kit cost $59, and the full-size bum bum cream normally costs $45. So you get 3 other products for like $14 more. And this spray, the body spray, smells like all of this stuff smells the same. The spray, I have this spray and I have the bum bum cream. I have tried the shower gel, but I didn't like it too much, so I returned it. But I'm happy I got a little travel size, and then it comes with a hand cream as well. So these two, the shower gel and the body spray, are like the smaller sizes, and I think the hand cream is full size if I'm not mistaken. I don't know. But this is that. I can show you what it looks like on the inside. Comes with a little sleeve. The packaging is super cute too. Like, this is such a cute little gift box to give someone, because Christmas is coming up. So here it is. The bum bum cream, the body mist, the hand cream, and the shower gel. or shower cream.